Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a makeup testing video. I'm going to be trying a ton of new drugstore launches, some high-end stuff too. It's a lot of stuff that I haven't used before, but also some things that I have used before, so I can also give you kind of like quick little mini reviews. And yeah, I hope you guys are excited. If you guys have any questions throughout the video, leave them in the comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you want to continue seeing videos like this. Don't forget to come follow me on Instagram, and yeah, we can get on with the video now. So with most of these products, I have not yet tested them. But I have like a ton of new launches and stuff that I really want to share with you guys, use for the first time on camera. I'll be honest, there are a couple that I couldn't wait to try, and I tried without using them on camera. Moving along, I'm gonna get started off by just prepping my base and doing all of that stuff. And what I actually really wanted to try is Pop Sugar's beauty line. They came out with Beauty by Pop Sugar, and one of the new products is actually the Be Smooth Sugar Lip Scrub, and this I have tried. I really like the packaging of this. I like how it's just like clean and white. It's actually like the same package as the Drunk Elephant Lippy Balm, but I like this because it's just like a lip balm with little sugar granules in it, and you can just kind of rub it on your lips like this, and the sugar will exfoliate all the dried skin. And then you can either, you know, lick the sugar off, or you can just take a cloth and wipe it clean. I feel like I have sugar on the sides of my lips. Now, one thing I didn't try was actually the lip balm. So this is the Beauty by Pop Sugar Lip Saver Lip Balm. I feel like this is gonna be thick and amazing. And I feel like, oh my gosh, I hope this isn't peppermint. Oh no, I think this is peppermint. I'm allergic to peppermint. Tomorrow I'll know. If I wake up with like fever blisters all around my mouth, it's because of that. Also, if you are cruelty-free, the Pop Sugar beauty line is cruelty-free. So I'm gonna quickly throw on a little bit of moisturizer because I did cleanse my skin, but I haven't yet moisturized. I wanted to try this new one from Glow Recipe. Gorgeous packaging. This is the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. So I'm just going to do 2 pumps. This seems to be like a lightweight gel moisturizer. It smells divine. It smells like watermelon, obviously, but yeah, it smells really, really good. Even if I'm using a moisturizing primer, I will still always use a moisturizer because I've got such dry skin. To prime my entire face, I'm going to be using the No. 7 Airbrush Away Primer. I like this one because it's not overly mattifying, and I feel like it really makes my makeup last longer. So I just kind of like rub it in between my hands. I'm gonna apply this all over my face. So once I feel like that's really sunk into my skin, I'm gonna go in with the Milk Makeup Blur Stick. This is the Luminous Blur Stick. I really like the original, so I wanted to try this. And I'm going to apply this mostly around like the high points of my face where I want it to like peek out from behind foundation. And I'm just gonna blend it in with my fingers. I don't think the blur sticks necessarily set, but I feel like you do need to blend them into the skin with your fingertips, or they do kind of just dry in place. And that's actually so pretty. It gives you the slightest sheen to your skin. This is my new favorite kombucha flavor, GT's Lavender Love. I've been making my own kombucha lately for the past few months, but I haven't made lavender flavor. So I really want to get some lavender and make my own lavender kombucha, but I seriously went to Whole Foods this morning and I bought 4 of these because I'm addicted. Next I'm going to do is, I guess we should start off by priming our eyes because we will be using some new eyeshadows. So I'm going to use the Milani Eyeshadow Primer. This is one of my favorites. Work it onto my eyelids, blend, blend, blend. So we actually have 3 new eyeshadow palettes that I wanted to share with you guys today. We have the NARS Wanted palette. It's absolutely gorgeous. I have used this one a couple times. I really love that. We have the Naked Petite Heat, which again I have used a couple times, once or twice. Really pretty. You can see the shadows I've dug into there. And then we have the Christian Siriano Urban Decay palette, which looks like that. Really pretty, bold colors. I feel like this palette would be great to do like a smoky look just because you have all these really rich jewel tones and that black. So I don't think this is the one I'm going to use today, but if you guys want to see like a smoky, bold look using this palette, just leave a comment down below and I will do that for you. Today, because I'm actually going to be doing stuff, I want to stick with the Petite Heat and the NARS Wanted palette. I'm actually gonna go test drive a car after I film this, so I don't want to look too scary. So these are the two palettes we're gonna be using. I'm actually just gonna get started with this shade right here from the NARS Wanted palette. I actually completely forgot to clean my brushes before I filmed this video, so my brushes are kind of dirty, but I'm just gonna kind of like rub them on a towel and hopefully some of the pigments come out. But yeah, I didn't even remember to spot clean them. So I'm just taking that color and I'm gonna brush that into the crease. I think the NARS palette is really beautiful and it's got like those really gorgeous pinky tones. So I've been really into it. I actually wore it to my cousin's wedding over the weekend. And I was really happy with the way my makeup turned out. So I thought it was very like springtime wedding appropriate. Next I'm actually gonna be taking this shade right here called Hot Spell from the Urban Decay Naked Petite Heat palette, and that is going to go on the outer corner and into the crease just for a little bit of extra added dimension. And Petite Heat is really warm, like orangey tones. I'm then gonna take this shadow right here from the NARS Wanted palette, and I'm gonna use the same brush. I'm just gonna pop that like all over the middle of my lid to the outer corner. I'm just gonna kind of blend that around in place. Okay, next I'm gonna take this little dome-shaped pencil brush and I'm gonna go in with the shade Inhale from the Petite Heat palette. This is the prettiest inner corner shade ever. I am obsessed with the way that this looks like on the inner half of the eyelid and just like right on the inner corner. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Revlon Insta Filter foundation. I wear the shade True Beige, and as you guys can see, this actually comes with a sponge tip applicator. You actually just twist the product at the base and it's dispensed through the top. Mine's a little bit messy, sorry about that. I think it's great if you're doing a touch-up or if you're a beginner and you don't have a lot of tools. That can be really awesome. It's not my preferred wave method. What I actually like to do is just twist the base, dispense the product through the top, and apply it to the back of my hand, and then pick it up on my brush from the back of my hand. Lightly stipple the product onto the face. It doesn't dry extra fast, but it dries quickly enough to where you need to work in thin layers or small areas of the face before you start applying it all over. So you guys can see this is one thin layer. It's got decent coverage. You can build it up to make it more full coverage if that's what you want. I want to go for a little bit more of a sheer coverage today just because it is still early in the day. I don't feel like walking around full coverage, so I just want a little bit more on the sheer side. Now for concealer today, I'm going to be using NARS Radiant Creamy. I'm wearing the shade Custard today. No, I'm wearing the shade Ginger today. And I'm just going to pop that right under my eyes, like so. And I'm going to use my Glossier Stretch Concealer. This one's like really nice and dewy and looks like natural skin. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick it up on the back of a an eyeshadow brush. And I'm just gonna pop that right under my eyes. I feel like you guys know this already, but I really like to just let my concealer kind of sink in for a few moments before I try to go in and blend it. I think it just works better if you let it mold with your own skin. So I'm gonna be doing my brows in the meantime because that's what I typically do. I'm gonna use the CoverGirl Brow Pencil. This one is in the shade Honey Brown. I'm just gonna spoolie through my brushes really quickly. I'm just gonna blend in my fingers. I'm telling you, I can't talk today. I'm just going to blend in my concealer first with my brush, and then I will use my fingers. I don't know why I'm having such a hard time speaking today. Next, we are going to set the face, and I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Peach Perfect Setting Powder. I actually haven't used this. It's like a loose powder. And I actually like how it has a lid for the sifter, so you don't have to worry about it getting all over the place. Oh, that smells amazing. I love the Too Faced fragrance of their stuff in the Sweet Peach line. It smells so good. All right, so we're going to set the under eyes. I'm just gonna use this little brush from Eco Tools. And I'm just gonna pick this up. I'm not gonna lie, I'm slightly nervous about this because it's mattifying. So I'm gonna be very light-handed. Apply this right under the eyes. Time will tell. We'll see how this looks in a couple hours. It might look really great right now and then look really crappy in a sec. Every time I take a sip of kombucha, my lip balm disappears. I actually love this one. I'm nervous about it being minty because I'm not 100% positive if it's gonna make me have an allergic reaction, but it just kind of like melts into your lips. It's actually pretty amazing. I'm going to highlight the inner corner of my eye now, and I'm gonna use that shade called Inhale from the Petite Heat palette. I'm just gonna pop that right on my inner corner. I'm obsessed with it, you guys will see. I'm probably not gonna use anything else as an inner corner highlight for a long time. We have a lot of new products to talk about. There are gonna be more of these testing new product videos because I just have so much stuff that we need to talk about. To contour quickly though, I'm gonna use the Revlon Bronzilla bronzer. I really like this for contouring. Contour my face with this, like hit right under that cheekbone and the temple. I'm actually not gonna contour with this, I'm just gonna bronze my whole face with this. I feel like if I contour and bronze today, because I'm so pale, it might just be a little bit too much. I don't have a spray tan today, so I feel like I can't get away with as much bronzer as I would like. But I'm recognizing the situation, you know? I'm like recognizing the fact that I can't really wear as much bronzer as I want. Before I set my brows with gel, I want to do my blush and highlight just because sometimes I feel like powders can get stuck in brow gel and then it makes my brows look really dusty. So I'm actually going to be using one of the new Jouer blush bouquets. This one is in the Flirt Blush Duo. So we have Kiss Me and Touch Me. Today I'm going to be using Kiss Me and Touch Me. Actually, we're going to be using Kiss Me and Touch Me. I'm going to mix them together because I feel like they'd make a really pretty, almost like peachy flush. So that's what I'm feeling like using. These are really pretty and they're nice and sheer. Like they don't look too crazy. I love that. Super pretty. And then for highlight today, what I actually wanted to use is the Revlon Sunlit Dream. I love this. I'm obsessed with it. You guys have to try it. You get 4 different shades. There's like a dark bronze, a mid-toned, slightly rose gold, and then you have like a true champagne gold, and then a light white gold. Like this one in the corner right here, super similar to NARS Albatross. It's kind of like that white gold sheen. Today I'm going to be using a mixture of this one, and I'm going to use it on on a fluffy brush just because I like that application the best. You can use your fingers too if you want something a little bit more intense. But these are super cool because you can wear them sheer or you can really build them up to that like blinding highlight right up there. I'm also going to use my finger to just apply it right down the center of the bridge of my nose and right on my Cupid's bow because I am into that look. And see, these are so pretty. You can like mix and match them, use them how you want. I'm really into them. For brows, this is like a really cool product that I've been trying. It's the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Gel. I got mine in the shade medium brown. Now this comes with a spoolie in the package. I lost my spoolie and well, I guess I should show you guys the actual applicator that comes on the product. It's like this little short brush and you can apply this directly to your brows like this, but I find that it deposits a little bit too much color. So what I like to do is just take another spoolie. This is from that CoverGirl one. And I'm just going to apply the product to the CoverGirl spoolie. It's got fibers in it and it's like a really long wearing tint. This actually lasts, I think 3 days they said, or maybe a full 24 hours. I don't know. And I'm just going to brush this through my brow hairs. It holds them in place all day and it gives them a little bit of an extra added tint. And they'll stay like that all day. Like this is a really weird formulation because it seems like it's more gel-like, but it weirdly enough just holds your brows in place for such a long time. I really like it. So for eyeliner today, because I don't have like a new liquid or pencil liner that I want to share with you guys, I'm just going to be using some powder liners. So I'm going to use the NARS Wanted palette. I'm going to take that darkest shade right there and I'm going to use that to just smudge into my upper lash line just to create a little bit of added smudgy definition. Just like so. And then I can use my finger to blend it out even more. Okay, all of a sudden I'm seriously sweating like so bad. and I don't know why. But I feel my forehead getting sweaty. And then I'm gonna use my new favorite, or my current favorite mascara. It's the Maybelline Total Temptation. A couple of you guys said you didn't like this, but I really love it. I think it's so good. I'm gonna use this to just really get a nice dramatic lash. I like to pile this stuff on because for my lashes personally, I can really build this mascara up and it never gets flaky or too clumpy, and I like how the lashes stay really soft. The formulation is actually quite on the creamy side and I really like that. So I'm just gonna apply a couple layers of this. 2 coats of Maybelline Lash Temptation. I did get a little bit on my eyelid, so I'm just gonna wait until it dries so I can kind of flake it off. And I do have a couple new lip products that I really wanted to share with you guys. I have some new Urban Decay lipsticks. I got quite a few of these Urban Decay new lipsticks. And then I also got this new e.l.f. lip oil. It's by Christian Siriano. And then also I do have the Pop Sugar lips. So I have a ton of stuff to share with you guys. Obviously I can't do it all in this video. And then I completely forgot, I also have the L'Oreal Lumi collection, which I want to share with you guys. That'll be in a separate video. I'll have to do more of these. I feel like I should do these more often just because then I can like test new launches with you guys, and I feel like that would be really fun. So I wanted to do one of these. These are tinted lip balms. They have SPF 20 and I wanted to try the shade Daydreamer just because. So this is, okay, I'm not gonna edit that out. This is the one that I wanted to try. It's in the shade Daydreamer. Oh my god, it looks way better swatched than it does. This, I thought it was gonna be like dark and too pearly. And you guys saw my face when I opened it. I was like, hell no. And then I do also really want to be super annoying and extra because I want to try this as well. The e.l.f. Christian Siriano Lip Oil. I'm really into lip oils lately. I like these tinted lip oils. They must be the thing 2018 because so many brands are coming out with these tinted lip oils. I feel like it all kind of really started with those Lancome Juicy Shakers, right? That's really pretty. It's like a soft milky pink. I think it layered really well with the lip balm. I think that's everything I wanted to try today with you guys on camera. I will definitely be doing another video showing you guys the L'Oreal Lumi products. I'll show you guys some of those new shadows. Any other new products that you guys really want to see me use in another one of these videos. Be sure to leave a comment down below. Let me know. I love trying the products that you guys recommend or stuff that you guys really want me to try on camera. And also, I was thinking maybe for this next one, unless you guys like these just straight face-to-face, kind of filmed like a get ready with me trying new products type of thing, I'll continue to do them this way. But also, if you guys would want me to do them, I guess kind of more like a wear test, like if you guys would like to see me actually test out the products and wear them throughout the day and kind of do check-ins, and then at the end of the day do like a final review, I can do that too. Like kind of how when you test out a foundation. I could definitely do that for you guys. So yeah, I think that's everything I wanted to say. If you guys have any questions, hit me up in the comments down below. Come follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter. Go try GT's Lavender Love Kombucha because I'm obsessed with it. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching this one. Bye guys. My pinky was stuck in my sweater and I just rolled with it. Bye guys.